Turn up the music.
So I've done one eye. I did actually film this look and I totally like messed up the colours, so I had to like redo it. So now I'm going to film it with this eye now that I know what I'm doing, because it went wrong. And then when I was deleting the older footage, I deleted the brow routine that I did, so I'm going to have to refilm that. It's been a really interesting night. I'm going in with the Bperfect Stacey Marie Carnival palette. This is what it looks like. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with this palette, and I just thought I'd use it today, and I've gone for this action. First thing I am actually going to do though is put my tape on, if I can find my tape, so that I can get that crisp edge. This navy shade right here, this is called Mood. Going in with a Spectrum V06 brush, I'm just going to buff out the edges. I'm not blowing up, I'm not going down, I'm just like staying on the shade and just sort of buffing it back into itself. Going in with the purple in the shade, this is called Wasted. This takes a lot of building up, this colour I've found. Other people, and I've seen them use it, it seems to be like really opaque. For me, I have to like really build it up. So I'm placing it half on the blue, half not. I'm apparently dropping my brush. Another V06 brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges of my purple, the same as I did my blue. And then going in with another brush, I'm going to take Funky, which is this bright pink shade, and I'm going to buff that above the purple. As a Weaver 144 brush, I want to cut my crease. Now I put a line across and I look up and I sort of roll my eyes around, and this just basically tells me where I want my cut to be. Can you see how it's done a nice line there? And then I make sure that my brush is flat, and I use the rounded, like the edge of the brush to stamp out. So I've already got the initial outline. Too high with that one, but taking a more precise brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Pink, place that on the inner corner, well the inner like third of my eye. The rest of the eye I'm going to use Foolish, which is like this peachy corally shade. It's beautiful. And I'm going to place this all here, but I'm going to go as it like joins up with this shimmery shade. I'm gonna go at an angle, if that makes any sense. Using the brush that I Pink me, I'm just gonna merge those two colours together. Going back in with the navy shade, I'm just gonna join my crease colour in with those. Again, I'm gonna go at a bit of an angle. I'm then going to go in with the Peggy Sage waterproof eyeliner in turquoise. This is my first time using it, and I didn't realise it had such a weird brush. It's odd. So I've done my under eye and I've put some black in my waterline and tightline and just sort of smudged it in with a flat brush. I'm now going to go back in with the navy shade called Mood, and I'm just going to buff that right on top of the black. Then going in with a smudger brush, I'm going to go in with that purple Wasted. I'm going to pop that just underneath Mood. Taking a little brush, I'm going to go in with Funky, buff that under the purple. I'm going to take this highlighter, this is called a Brunch Club and it's from Primark, that on my inner corner. Take some of that highlight there and I'm just going to pop it just there, just so I've got a bit of zhuzh.
Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere tonight. Turn down the music now. It's quiet time when
So guys, that's the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm a bit all over the place tonight. It's been so long since I've like properly sat down and filmed that I actually have just forgot everything that I'm meant to do. So it's a bit higgledy-piggledy, so hopefully this made sense. I am excited to get some more content out on this channel and start doing some proper looks. If you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!